Karnataka to train government PU students on OMR sheets for CET exam. Mother struggles to understand daughter's suicide despite previous rejection of self-harm. NDA moves JEE Main 2025 exam centers from Prayagraj to Varanasi due to Mahakumbh Mela. Andheri schools evacuated after bomb threat email, Hawks confirmed. Indian students in the US quit part-time jobs for over deportation fees.
Welcome to Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the Karnataka Examinations Authority will send practice OMR sheets to government PU colleges to help students prepare for Common Entrance Test, that is CET. The initiative follows observation that 10 to 15% of students, particularly from rural and government colleges, made errors in filling out registration details on OMR sheets in previous year. KEA has directed colleges to conduct mock CET exam using these practice sheets to boost students' confidence. The mock exams will simulate the real CET with 60 multiple choice questions per subjects. KEA aimed to familiarize students with OMR process, which differs from traditional descriptive exams, to improve performance during the actual test. A grieving mother expressed disbelief over her 24-year-old daughter's suicide in Kota, saying that aspiring doctor had always rejected suicide as an option. The bright student had excelled academically but struggled emotionally after a poor test score, with many have contributed to her stress. The mother recalled her daughter's words that students overwhelmed by pressure should return home, not resort to self-harm. Meanwhile, another family suffered a similar tragedy as 17-year-old boy from Guwahati also took his life in Kota hours before his mother arrived. Authorities continue to investigate both deaths, while a third student was recently rescued from distress at Kota railway station. The National Testing Agency has shifted JEE Mains 2025 exam centers from Prayagraj to Varanasi for January 28 to 30 due to ongoing Mahakumbh Mela causing travel issues. Candidates can download their admit cards from the official website, which includes updated exam center details. NTA earlier released admit cards for exam held in Jan 2024. Candidates must bring a printed admit card with QR code and barcode for entry, along with a photo ID matching their one in application. The JEE Main 2025 session is taking place across India and 15 international locations. Adherence to all guidelines is crucial for a smooth examination experience. A bomb threat email sent to Rand Global School in Andheri West led to the immediate closure and early dismissal of students on Thursday. The Oshiwara police, assisted by a bomb detection squad, conducted a thorough search and confirmed that the threat was Hawks. The school was cleared to resume operations on Friday. In a separate investigation, Mumbai police are probing death threat emails received by celebrities Kapil Sharma, Sugandha Mishra, Rajpal Yadav and Remo D'Souza. The emails signed by the Vishnu appear to have originated from Pakistan. FIRs have been registered for D'Souza and Yadav's complaints, while Mishra filed an NC at Oshiwara station. In the week of President Trump's inauguration, many Indian students in the US have quit their part-time jobs due to fears of deportation. On F1 visas, students are allowed to work 20 hours per week on campus, but many rely on off-campus jobs to cover living expenses. With stricter immigration policies looming, students like Arjun and Neha have stopped working to protect their student visa status. Despite the financial strain, some are borrowing money from their friends or family, but this is not sustainable. The uncertainty has led to mental health concerns among students already burdened by significant educational loans. They plan to reassess their situation in a few months. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theENM.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.